big black Australop cockerel, one of 500 birds that are being judged today at the show.
Penny. Penny. Puppy.
Diamond, you've got a mole. It's a mole on your belly. Right there's a mole. Well, I can't help it, it's a mole.
Look at your mole. I love your mole. Don't you love your mole?
Oh, he's smiling.
I love your mole. Oh, don't be ugly about your mole.
Oh, he wants to bite me so.
No, don't you bite your mama.
Don't.
Quincy, what do you think you're doing? You just open. Ah! Quincy, give me the money. Give me the money, buddy. Come on. Just need a little bit. Come on. Ah! Quincy, look what you're doing. You're holding on to that tight. Come on. Give it to me. Come. Hey, look at you. You're just going to lay on top of the money now? Quincy, you're a dog. You can't buy anything with that money. Come on. Ah! You need to buy yourself some Xanax, bud. That's what you need. I'll go buy yourself some. I'll buy it for you. Come on. Ah! Maybe not. Okay. All right, I'll just take my check then. How about that? You can keep out. Ah! Oh, okay. You gonna cash the check too? You gonna cash? You can't. What? Come on now. Give me the check. Just give me the check. No. Ah! All right, fine. You can keep all the $10 bills. I just want the $1 bill. That's all I want. Ah! Quincy. After all I've done for you, you little greedy little Quincy, I just want some at McDonald's. Just a McDonald's. Ah! Quincy, come on. Ah!
Hvordan skal du komme deg opp nå?
So, you know, we're just out fishing casually, you know, with our fishing poles and stuff. And then I realized he caught a duck.
Can you send that to me?